Hey, what's up, guys? So I just wanted to give you guys, I haven't really showed the brakes yet, but this is my 4-piston 14-inch rotor Willwood kit that I'm testing out for Full Tilt Boogie Racing right now. They're planning on selling this kit once I'm done testing it out, making sure everything works good. And so I'm going to be testing this out some more. I'm still breaking them in right now, so I really haven't had the opportunity to really slam on them and test them. But from what I've noticed so far, the clanking is gone. There's no more clanking because it's a fixed caliper, where the old Cobra one was a floating one. So there's no clanking over when you're driving around, which is super nice. And the pedal feels great. There's less like slack in the pedal before, like when you hit it. With the old brakes, because they're floating, when you hit them, then they compress. So this is a lot smoother. So I like that a lot. And so far, I really haven't gotten into the brakes, but I can tell they're just a massive upgrade. Even at quarter braking to almost half brake, half braking pressure on the pedal, and it stops so much better. It's ridiculous. So I can't wait to actually fully test these out. So, but what a lot of people have been asking. So yeah, sorry. I also the kit is going to come black. But I had mine painted. I painted mine, me and James, painted the calipers red and then added the white stickers on there. So, because I wanted to match the red together. So if you do buy a kit, it's going to be a black kit. And you can do this if you want. If you want to paint it, really wasn't that big of a deal. We just taped everything off, painted it with some caliper, high temp paint, and that's pretty much how we did it. So, but I really like the way it looks too. The rotor looks great too. It's not going to rust like my rears are. So, but anyway, so I'm going to keep driving it like this, keep breaking it in, and then I'm going to take it to Bruce at full tilt, and we're going to really test them out, really get some heat in them, really test them out. He's going to test it out himself to make sure it's up to his standards, and then once then they'll be releasing the kit. So before then, I had a couple people asking me as far as the sizing is what wheel you have to fit. And with the 18, I have a lot of clearance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this wheel off and throw on the old Cobra wheel, because I still have that, and see if you can fit with the 17-inch. I'm not sure if it'll fit, but that's pretty much what this video is for. So we're going to go ahead. I already got the car slightly jacked up. So we're going to grab a 13/16 socket here. Okay, if you can see here how much space I have, it's a little more than a finger. I can get my finger here, and we can move it. So that's how much is on an 18-inch wheel. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna pull off. The wheel here. All right, so I don't know if that recording worked, but it does not clear a 17-inch wheel. It hits. So if you're gonna upgrade to this kit, you're definitely gonna want a 18-inch wheel at least to clear these calipers. So yeah, that's what they look like. I think they look really nice in red. Like I said, this brake rotor's sweet looking too. This is never going to rust, so that's going to be really nice. But yeah, we got the 18-inch drum here. 17, you can tell. This just isn't big enough. So there's the tread pattern on the 555. This is the R888. My favorite tread pattern is that R888. These didn't work at all. These were excellent, especially in the rear. So yeah. So stay tuned for once this is fully broken in. I'll do a video of us testing it, and then once it's fully released, I'll let you guys know. I'll give you a link in the description of the video when this is out, so look for the next video on that. And yeah, so if you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down, and I'll see you guys in the next video.